Question 14. A gas was collected over water at a pressure of 115 kilopascals and 298 Kelvin. Determine the partial pressure of the gas. Take standard vapor pressure at 298 Kelvin to be equal to 37 kilopascals. A. 152 kilopascals. B. 64 kilopascals. C. 58 kilopascals. D. 78 kilopascals. The correct answer is D. 78 kilopascals. Explanation. When you collect a gas over water, it's not just your gas in the container. Some of that pressure comes from water vapor. So we subtract that one out. So from Dalton's law, total pressure is equal to the pressure from the gas plus water vapor pressure. So we will have the total pressure, which is 115 kilopascals, minus 37, which is the water vapor kilopascals. That will give you the real pressure of the gas, which is 78 kilopascals.